Hello friends, I am Dr. Sutar NG from Sanjani College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, actually head of the department. So friend, today we are going to discuss regarding a new topic, or we can say that subject, herbal drug technology. So herbal drug technology is nothing but a subject is there that gives you an information regarding the different type of the herbs, and that is the herbal drugs are there, that herbs which are to be used in the form of the drugs, or the different parts of the herbs are there that are used as a drug, that is a herbal drug, and the technique which are to be used for the preparation of that one drug is nothing but your technology. So the name of the subject is there, that is a herbal drug technology, means how the drugs are manufactured, what are the different methods are there for the preparation of that drug. That everything is there that is we studied is nothing but your herbal drug technology is there. So friends, we know that firstly, what do you mean by herbs? The first chapter is that is a herbs as a raw material. Herb is nothing but the green leafy parts is there, just like the blade like structure is there. We call it as a leaf. So that is the one. Second one is the straw like structure, or we can say that the grass like structure is there, or we can say that the stem is there. So likewise the green parts which are to be utilized, that is for which are having the beneficial effect on the human being, that is known as a herbs is there. So herbs are widely distributed and widespread group of the plant, excluding the vegetables. Rather than vegetables, we are going to be consumed. In case of that one, micronutrients are there. For the major proportion of the nutraceutical, we are going to be consumed that one with atomic properties that are used for flavoring and garnishing of the food, for medicinal purpose or for fragrance. Culinary use the typically distinguish the herbs from the species. Herbs generally refers to the leafy green or the flowering parts of the plants, either the fresh or the dried one. So here you have to be observed. These are the different images are there which are to be shown here. They are to be used as a herbs. Okay. So from some of the drugs are there that should be isolated. For example, menthol, which is be isolated from the mint. Then thyme, bay leaf, like whether these are the different drugs are there which are to be used as a herbs. Now, as we see that this is the leaf is there, which contains some of the active chemical components. Okay, natural plant part is there, leaf. Okay, so it contains some of the active chemical components. So by a process of the extraction, isolation, and purification, we are going to be remove this one active chemical component, and then where we pass that one type of the active chemical component, that is nothing but is a drug. Or sometimes what are the isolated components are there which are to be directly entered into the formulation. Okay, so these are the active chemical components are there which are to be removed. Then that way to be directly pack them into the formulation. That is nothing but is your drug user. Okay, hope all of you understand. Yeah. So next one is there, that is a herb. Herb is nothing but a Latin word is there. Herba means grass or the green like stalk like structure is there. That is known as a herbs. Okay. So herbs that include the whole part. For example, vinca, the whole plant of the part is utilized. So that includes the herbs, whole plant or any one part of the plant you have to be utilized. For example, leaf, fruit, flower, bark, stem, seed, root, rhizome, tubers, that parts are utilized. For example, if we consider leaf, then senna leaf, digitalis leaves are there, fruit, fennel fruit, caraway fruit, flowers are there, your jasmine, rosemary, likewise the flowers are there, then bark, cinnamon bark, cinchona bark, stem, ephedra stem, seed, nutcromica seed is there, okay, groundnut seeds are there, root, ipecacuanha root, or raulpia root, rhizome, turmeric, ginger is there, tubers are there. Likewise, the different drugs are there, we have to be used. Okay, so these are the herbs are there. Okay, so these are the different examples of the herbs are there. Okay, now next one is there, that is a herbal medicine is there. Herbal medicine is what are the different parts of the plant we have to be used in the preparation of the drug. not to make confusion, because likewise the different terms are there. Herbal medicine means the part of the plant we have to be used for the preparation of the drug. That is nothing but your herbal medicine is there. Okay. Herbal medicine is also known as a botanical medicine or phytomedicine, which refers to the use of the plant parts such as the seed, berries, root, leaf, bark, flowers, or for medicinal purpose. Herbalism has a long traditional use of outside the conventional medicines. This is about your herbal medicine. Okay. Means as such the plant parts are there that are to be utilized. Okay. So these plant parts used for the variety of the purpose, that is nothing but your herbal medicine is there. Now the next one is there, that is a herbal medicinal product, which is nothing but your marketed product, the product which is to be available in the market, where there is a use of excipients such as coloring agent, flavoring agent, preservatives are used. So these are nothing but your herbal medicinal products are there. So this is the one example, that is a Kapiva, which is to be utilized for the diabetes patient to recover the patient from the diabetes. Okay. Then haldi cup for the winter season. There is the most of the people are suffer by the coughing, sneezing. So in that case, haldi cup is used. Then Dabur Chyawanprash, that is a favorable one to improve your immune power. So likewise, the drugs are utilized. So the marketed products are there. That is nothing but your herbal medicinal products are there. Okay. This is another one example. Okay. The herbal medicinal product is a medicine that contains plant-based ingredients such as the part of the plants in the or the crude or the processed parts or combination of these parts. For example, haldi cup is there. In case of the haldi cup, there is a haldi, that is a turmeric, adusa, tulsi. Likewise, the ingredients are utilized. Kapiva is also there. Near about 7 to 8 number of the drugs are there that are to be utilized. Okay. So they are used either alone or the in a combination. Okay. They are also known as a phytopharmaceutics products are there. Okay. By utilizing the pharmacy technique, they are to be prepared and they are obtained from the plant material. So they are to be known as a phyto, and therapeutic means they have therapeutic activity. So they are to be known as a phytotherapeutic products. Okay. Now the next one is there, herbal drug preparation. Friends, not to make a confusion in case of the herbal medicinal product, these are the marketed products. Okay, that remember. And this is your herbal drug preparation. Mean in a lab, you are going to prepare the different type of the formulation. Okay, so that is nothing but your herbal preparation. So what type of the preparation you have prepared? Just you have prepared extraction, isolation, purification, then distillation, maceration, percolation. Likewise, these are the different processes are there which are to be involved in case of the preparation of that one drug. That is nothing but your herbal drug preparation. Okay. So this is another one example is there. These are the barrels are there that are prepared of the containers are there. Some of the formulations are there. Then your asawa, arista. Hmm? Likewise, so herbal drug preparation are the homogeneous products which are to be obtained by subjecting the herbal drug for the treatment, such as you are going to perform the extraction in your lab, then distillation for the concentration of that drug, expression, fractionation, purification, concentration, or in case of the Assam and Arista, you are going to go for the fermentation. Okay. So what is the product you have prepared in a lab? That is nothing but your herbal drug preparation. So these contain the extracts. Okay, you are going to prepare the extract also. Then tinctures. Then you're going to prepare the gums or isolate the gum from the plant. Then extract the oils, then mucilage, resins, likewise. But except the component must not be isolated one. Isolated components are there that is not to become in case of the any type of the herbal drug preparation. Okay. Hope all of you understand till now. Okay. Now the next one is there, that is a herbs are there. So this is a one slide. In one slide, you can understand what is herb, what is herbal medicine, what is herbal drug preparation, what is herbal medicinal product. Okay. So by diagrammatic also, I am going to show you, so not to make any type of the confusion in case of this one. Okay. Oh, now, what are the sources of the drug? Now, the next one topic is there. Friends, here we are going to study the sources of herbs. What are the different sources of the herbs are there? You know that wild source as well as the cultivated source, then modern scientific method. These are the different sources of the drugs are there. So, what do you mean by wild sources? What are the advantages of this one? What are the drawbacks of this one? Yes, anyone can guess what are this one? Yeah. So wild sources, cultivated sources, just like a farmer. What are the activity which are to be performed by a farmer? That is nothing but your cultivated sources. The plants which are not to be grown by a single farmer. Automatically the plants are there in the forest. That is nothing but your wild one. Then modern scientific methods, the plant which is to be obtained by the modern scientific methods, which are nothing but your PTC, that is the plant tissue culture technology, polyploidy, genetic engineering, mutation, hybridization. Likewise, these are the different techniques are there. By which the plants are prepared, that is nothing but your modern techniques are there. So, firstly, we are discuss regarding the wild source. What are the wild source? These are the plants where there is no any type of the cost is there is should be required. Okay, means no any one farmer is going to take care about that one particular plant. No one is going to give the water, nutraceutical, fertilizer, pesticide. No one is going to give them. So this plant is there should be occur automatically. So such type of the plant is known as a wild plants are there. So what is the advantages of this one? They are economic one. No cost or land for carrying the fertilizers, irrigation is there, and they require less time. The growth of the this one plant is a huge, or we can say that fast. So this is the one side. This what are the drawbacks of this one wild plant? The quality of the plant cannot be predicted. So what is the active chemical component which are to be present? It is you cannot imagine. So this type of the chemical components are there that are to be present. They may vary. Single type of the component either should be present, but they have to be present in a huge quantity. Not like that in a wide variety of the components are there that are to be present in case of this one. So single component is there should be present, but they are to be present in a huge quantity. Depends upon the environmental condition, this plant can sustain in that one environment. So they are going to make the changes in case of their body, because of which the chemicals are there that are to be formed in case of the wild variety of the plant, because of which the new variety or novel component may found in case of this one particular plant. The collection is uneconomical, means the it is not like that when you have to be cultivate that one particular plant in a one farm and you are going to go there and you are going to collect there. Sometimes the plant are there that are to be found here, some on the next time they are to be found in somewhere other place. So it's very difficult to predict the place of such type of the plant. So this is the wild plant is there. They are widely distributed. So the chances of the adulteration is there should be more. You cannot adapt the modern scientific technique on this one particular plant. Okay. So these are the drawbacks of this one plants are there. What is the cultivated plants are there? So the cultivated plants are there means a farmer is going to take the care of this one particular plant. Okay, so the cultivated plants use as you are going to take care about the particular plant, so you definitely say that these are the active chemical components are there that are present in this one particular plant, and that much percentage the active chemical components are there that are to be present. So these plants are there that are to be found as you are going to be cultivating your farm. So the location of the plant is there should be also a fixed one. The what is the concentration of the active chemical component is there, that is should be also fixed. Okay, as you are going to provide the variety of the nutraceutical, pesticide, fertilizer, you are going to take care of this one particular plant. So the active concentration of the active chemical component is there is to be judged. You can adopt The modern methods of this one particular plant, such as the plant tissue culture technology, polyploidy, genetic engineering, mutation, hybridization. Likewise, the different type of the activities are there that will perform in case of this one particular plants are there. Okay. Next one is there, that is the modern methods are there. In case of the modern method, there's a PTC, that is a plant tissue culture technology, polyploidy, mutation, hybridization, that is there, that should be performed. So by utilizing the genetic engineering, you are going to be perform the disease resistant variety in case of this one. So this is the some of the plants are there that require some. They are taking the larger time to give the output. So by utilizing this one particular PTC, you are going to make certain changes in case of the genetic makeup of that one particular seeds of the plant, and from this one you are going to develop a new seed, and just you have to be cultivate from this one. You are getting the different type of the variety of the plants. What are the expected output you have to be required? By utilizing this one modern technique, you are going to be cultivate such type of the plant materials. Okay. So let's we see one by one what is the plant tissue culture technology and everything. Okay. So in the next slide, we are going to see that one, what type of the modern techniques are there that are to be utilized in case of this one. Okay. Thank you.